Hello, my name is Fahad Ashiri. I would like to invite you to a workshop entitled Active Learning Strategy in Middle School. In Saudi Arabia, most of classes is based on teacher-centered, and that is not motivating students to learn English. My workshop concerned about English subject in the middle school. In February 2007, Gina Brenner stated that about 30% of the students indicate they are bored due to lack of interaction with teachers. The theory behind the suggestion of using active learning strategy is based on the saying of Benjamin Franklin. Tell me and I forget, teach me and I may remember, involve me and I learn. My workshop will be on Wednesday, 5th of September at 10:20 a.m. till 10:35 a.m. It will be in room 231. Thank you.